And there are reports that Jalen Hurts isn't comfortable, being asked to do things that a lot of quarterbacks are. And that he wants the freedom at the line of scrimmage to change the play calls to something more conservative. At what point do we have to acknowledge that he might be, and this is where I'm saying I'm wrong potentially, right? Is it possible that he's the biggest reason why the Eagles' offense failed this season? I actually think that might be the most likely scenario right now, right? Which means I'm wrong. I don't want to come on the air and say I'm wrong, but I have to if I am. Because if this were just an A.J. Brown issue or just like a chemistry issue, right? Like you could fix it by trading A.J. Brown. And if you were an offensive coordinator worth his salt, you could look at this and say, like, wow, we still have Devontae Smith and Goddard. And even though the offensive line might not be the 93 Cowboys, we still have good players. And we have a Super Bowl winning quarterback. Like, yeah, I can get this going here. Definitely. And now we have two instances of OCs who want to be head coaches again, looking like they're choosing other spots. Now, does this mean that the Philadelphia Eagles are screwed heading into next season? No. It can get turnarounds. There's no question. It's January. And we'll see what they end up doing. But in a division where I think we can say the Washington Commanders will be better than they were last year. Hard to be worse. The New York Football Giants will be better than they were last year. Here's John Harbaugh. Hard to be worse. And the Dallas Cowboys are likely to be better next year than they were this year. Get better players on defense, a better defensive coordinator, better defensive coaching. I think you can make the case that all three teams in the division outside of the Eagles will be better in 26 than they were in 25. And the early signs here are that the Philadelphia Eagles might be a team on the descent heading into 2026.